Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, and in today's video I'm doing a series of weaving tutorials that are coming up in the next couple of weeks. So they're going to be short, quick, sharp weaving tutorials. This one is a vertical stripe and a horizontal stripe. So shall we get straight into the video? Okay, so I've got my cardboard loom for my weave and I'm going to be using this brown wool here. I've already just marked off a couple of lengths. So just sort of gone across like that, counted how many I want, and I think I want about 3 rows, and they're going to be kind of double thickness. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I'm going to combine that with, because I'm quite into putting pink with brown at the minute, so I'm going to combine it with this macrame cord, this kind of cerise pink. We'll get into that in a second. Threaded up my wool and I'm going in from the right hand side over here, and I'm going to start with an under, so I'm going to go over the top of these warp lengths and then over under until as far as I can go, and carefully just pull that through so we've got a small tail of the wool hanging off, and then head over to the left, head back into the opposite direction. Make sure you pull that wool, and you can just, I just use my fingers there, but you can use the needle as well, just to make sure your wool is alternating next to the previous one, and then all the way across. So when I get to that side, I'm actually just going to grab another needle. I've measured up the same amount of pink cord as the wool. I'm just going to use another needle for this one. I have 2 on the go. So I've ended over here. So this time I'm going to start on the left hand side. I'm going to look at the one before it, and that is an under. So I'm going to start on an over, and I'm going to go all the way across to the middle. And then just that last bit, and then we're going to head back the opposite way. So we've ended on an under, so we're going to start on an over. And the reason why I'm doing these little mini tutorials is because I realised that I've got quite a lot of weaving tutorials, but I didn't really go into the actual weaving stitches individually. I think it would be beneficial to have those separately so people can watch those as you go along. So I've done plenty of weaving tutorials, but not sort of individual ones. Hopefully this will help. So I'm going to end on that side, then we go back to the previous colour. This time we're just going to look at that one before, which was an over, so we're going to start at an under and weave in and out as far as we can go. I don't pull too tightly here, just leave a little bit of slack, and then back the opposite way. And then the previous one is an under, so I'm going to start on an over, tuck that underneath, head to the other end, and then we're just going to turn right back round again and head back. So it's basically doing double rows of one colour. And you just carry on until you're going to run out of your wool and cord. Next up, we're going to do a vertical weave. So I've just measured 6 widths across of my cord, and I've done the same for my brown, so I've got 2 on the go. I'm going to start from the left hand side. Just want you to see how slightly different they are. I'm going to, let's start on an over and under, and we just go 1 layer across. So I'll just stop that there, and then across over there, and then we're going to abandon that pink cord for now and get going on the brown wool. Check out at the top here, that's an under, so we're going to start on an over, and we're going to head over once again to that left hand side. And then we are going to start on an under because the brown was on an over just previously. So we're going to start on an under, and notice we're just going once across. We're not doing a double row like the horizontal one. Vertical comes out slightly differently, so shuffle that up again. Bish, bash, bush over here. Grab your brown and take it over the top there of your pink, and it's going to start on an under because that one's an over, across the weft. Pick up your pink. Okay, so very nearly finished. I will be starting on an over here. Okay, so just to finish off with, all I've done there is I've just pushed all of the rows together, and then you can see that they've got a vertical stripe and there's the horizontal one. So just need to pinch those in. Hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I upload, which is every Wednesday at 5 p.m. I'll see you in the very next video. Goodbye.